Here we have to find the value of 9 minus 9 divided by 9 plus 9. So let's start. 9 minus 9 is 0 divided by 9 plus 9 is 18. No, 0 divided by 18, 0. But this is wrong. This is wrong method. So the correct method is by applying BODMAS rule. By applying BODMAS rule, where B means bracket, O means off, D means division, M means multiplication, A means addition, and S means subtraction. So we don't have bracket nor off, but we have division. So let's do division. 9 divided by 9. What is 9 divided by 9? It is 1 plus 9. Next, after division we have multiplication, but in the question we don't have multiplication, so no need for multiplication. Next, addition. So for addition terms we have 9 plus 9, which is 18, minus 1. Next, 18 minus 1 is 17. So the value of 9 minus 9 divided by 9 plus 9 is 17.